guys, today we're doing a review of these. It's called Fourmi Bionique Nutbrown Grain-Free Granola. Check it out. This is natural golden honey. And yeah, let's go in here. There's fiber, there's iron, gluten-free. Here's the Nutbrown panel. If you guys want to read this, pause the video and get a better look at that. It has almonds, sunflower seeds, cashews, sugars, coconut flour, flax seeds, maca powder, and that's about it. Let's do a quick taste test. Alright, so that's what it looks like, guys. Let's do a quick taste test here. I just got these and try it out. Got these at Costco and they're on sale. Flavor wise, it tastes like, what's the word? Yeah, it's not sweet. It's actually not that sweet. It's more like a salty. It has like a pinch of salt to it, and it's kind of hard to describe. It's like it's kind of slightly bitter. It's got some bitter notes to it. Yeah, it's got a slight bitter note to it, but not horrible. And it has and that's probably from the maca powder, and it has a it's not sweet at all. It's like you don't taste a lot of sugar to it. It's more like nuts and seeds. Kind of crunchy. It's totally different than I did a review of this one. This one is like sweet tasting. This one is just like tastes like nuts. Not bad. It's not sweet at all. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.